Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Namecheap or any other domains with your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, here you can see this option settings at the bottom left corner. Tap onto settings. After then scroll down and search for domains. Here you can see this option domains and go to domains, and as you can see I don't have any domains connected to my Shopify store, so let's connect a domain. Also, if you have not buy a domain previously, you can buy new domains from Shopify's inbuilt domain purchaser. So let's connect existing domain. So now let's enter domain name. So let's head over to Namecheap. You have to head over to Namecheap and enter it, and then you have to search for a domain. For example, chimp. Let's search for it. There will be much domains. As you can see, I have not bought any domain, so you just have to buy a domain and then you have to connect it with Shopify. By entering the domain name, you have to copy and paste the domain name right here and enter all the access to it. So tap, as you can see, here we go. This is $96 per year, first year, and that's it. And as you can see, this domain is available for purchase. You can just buy directly from here and then tap next. And from Namecheap, you have to give access to this chimo.gg's domain to Shopify store. You just have to enter the information. It will prompt to you and then tap next, and that's it. This is as simple as that. This is how you can add your domain to Shopify store from Namecheap. Also, you can buy a new domain if you want to. You just have to search for a name and then you can find any domain from here. As you can see, it is loading. You can buy from here. This is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.